Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will start with lesson number 6 from the life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. 2 years after Prophet Muhammad declared the prophethood, Allah directed the Prophet through his revelations to preach among his tribesmen that there is only one God, Allah, and that no one shares his divinity. The Prophet went to Mount Safa, situated in the center of Makkah, a short distance from the Kaaba. He called for his tribesmen, and when they had assembled, he said, "If I tell you that beyond this mountain there is an army which is going to invade you, will you believe it to be true or untrue?" They all said, "We all believe it to be true, since you have always spoken the truth." The Prophet then said, "I tell you that the army of death is after you. I warn you of the wrath of Allah. I am his prophet. You should accept this as true and believe it forthwith. Stop worshipping idols. Worship Allah. Obey his commands. Reject bad actions and turn from them so that you may attain salvation." On hearing this, the tribesmen became angry. They worshipped many idols and even kept some of them in the Kaaba. People from all over Arabia and beyond came to the Kaaba to lay their offerings before these idols, and the tribesmen took these offerings for their own use. They were caretakers of the Kaaba, custodians of the idols, and it brought them a good income. The Prophet was now asking them to give up their way of life with all its advantages. An uncle of the Prophet, Abu Lahab, cried loudly, "O Muhammad, have you called us here for only this?" Many of his tribesmen then deserted the Prophet. It's time for some questions now. Question number 1. What did the Prophet say at Mount Safa? Question number 2. Where is Mount Safa situated? Question number 3. To whom did the Prophet first convey Allah's message? Question number 4. Why were the Meccans angry when they heard the Prophet's sermon? Question number 5. Besides believing in Allah, what else should Muslims believe? Question number 6. What is salvation? Question number 7. Who was Abu Lahab? See you guys in the next lesson. Till then, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.